Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to react to TikTok videos. Let's get started. Now you need to do is open your TikTok, come to this your home. Now this video that I want to react, now what you need to do is you can see this. Just click on it and you can see you're going to react now. Now you can see this love. Click on the love here and you have love it. So it's very simple like that. It's very simple. If you want to comment, this is your comments. If um you want to save it, this is for saving, and you want to share it, this is for sharing. So it's very simple. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.